Hello everyone and welcome to English and Beyond. I'm CJ Roy and in today's class we will learn simple past tense, questions both affirmative and negative, how to make questions both affirmative and negative in the simple past correctly with lots of explanations and examples we will learn today. So without wasting any time, let's right away dive into our topic. Yes, a simple past. Let's see how affirmative questions are framed in simple past tense. In the simple present, if you remember, we know the auxiliary verb that we used is do. So I write a letter. The question was auxiliary is placed right in front. So do I write a letter? The same pattern is applied everywhere in all the tenses. If it is a question, please remember to place the auxiliary right in the beginning and subject next. That is the normal pattern here. So we follow the same pattern, but this is simple past tense. And the auxiliary verb is always going to be the V2 form of do. So that is did here. We already saw. I wrote a letter. I did not write a letter. And now here the question will be, did I write a letter? Did I write a letter every day? So did, the auxiliary, I, the subject, then the main verb in the V1 form, the root form, V1, remember, because we learned in the negative statements in the simple past, we learned since we use did, the main verb will always be used in the V1 form. We are following the same thing here as well. So it should be, did I write a letter? Never ask, did you wrote a letter, which is wrong. Grammatically, the correct one is, did I write a letter every day? Coming to the second one, you, second person, singular and plural both. No change, same pattern. Did you write a letter? Did you write a letter? Did auxiliary, you, the subject, and then write, V1 form. Third person, did he write a letter? Did she write a letter? Did it write a letter every day? So similar pattern. There is no change. It's easy. The only thing you need to remember is we need to start a question with auxiliary verb, and in the simple past tense it is did. After did, we need to use the subject and the verb, the remaining things. Coming to first person plural, that is we. Did we write a letter? Same pattern. Once you understand the concept clearly, I think you are good to go. You will know how to go about it. And the third person, they, we say, did they write a letter? Don't say, did they wrote a letter? Did we wrote a letter? Did you wrote a letter? These are all wrong statements. It should be did, subject, and then V1 form. So that is simple past affirmative questions. This is how. So if I say he played well yesterday, he played well yesterday. So the question that you will be framing is, did he play well? Not played, play well. Did he play well? I worked hard for the examination. Did I work hard? If I ask you this question, she slept early last night. She slept early last night. It should be, did she sleep? V1 form. Did she sleep early last night? Yes, sir. She slept early last night. So this is the affirmative question here. I hope it is very clear. Let's now move to our next one. That is how to frame negative questions in the simple past tense. So here we go. Okay, then let's start with the first person, I, as usual. First person. So the negative question, you just have to follow the same pattern, the same order which you learned in the simple present tense. So let me just go back to the simple present. I write, I did not write. And negative question is, did I write? Affirmative question. Negative question is, did I not write a letter? Here is the simple past negative questions. Let's begin with our first subject, that is I, first person singular, I. So here it will be, if you have learned the simple present tense, the same pattern is applied everywhere. So here it was simple present. If you remember, it was I write, and the negative form was I do not write. But in the past tense, you replace that do and it becomes did. So the question was, do I not write in the simple present tense? In the simple past tense, then instead of do, we just have to use did, and everything goes well then. So, did I not write a letter? Did you not write a letter? Did I not tell you about this earlier? So these are some of the examples here. Remember, did, then subject, then not, then V1 form, that is the root form of the verb. So did I not write? And if you use the contracted form, did plus not is didn't. Just like do plus not is don't. Here, didn't. So what you need to do is, if you start with the contracted form, then it should be didn't. Didn't I write a letter? Didn't I tell you? Didn't I teach you about this one yesterday? So these are the questions we frame. Second person, you come, you, same. Did you not write? Did you not write a letter? Did you not study? Or else, didn't you write a letter? Didn't you study yesterday? Didn't you take your breakfast today? Here, only the subjects keep changing. The nouns or pronouns, whatever you use as a subject, only that will keep changing. The pattern is the same. All the questions will begin with the auxiliary verb did in the simple past. And if it is negative question, we can start with didn't, or else did plus subject, then not. When we use didn't, please don't use not again. Didn't I not tell you? That is wrong. Didn't I tell you? Because that not is already there with did together. We say didn't. So third person, did he, did she, did it not write a letter? Didn't he, didn't she, didn't it write a letter? I hope you catch this format here very clearly. And we, first person plural, when we use, did we not write a letter? Did we not tell you this one? Okay. So, or else, contracted form, didn't we write a letter? Didn't we tell you about this earlier? And the third person is they, we use it. Did they not write a letter? Did they not go for the movie? Did they not study well? Didn't they tell you at all? We keep asking these questions. Didn't they tell you? Didn't you study? Didn't she tell you? Didn't she sing beautifully yesterday? Yes, sir. She sang beautifully. Or else, no, sir. She did not sing beautifully. So just keep asking these questions and then keep answering here. If I ask you, did I tell you? Yes, sir. I told you. Didn't I tell you? No, sir. You didn't, or else you did not tell me. Just keep on practicing this one, and then you will understand this. Once again, I am reminding you that this tense, everything has got a form, a structure, a format. And once you get to learn the simple present and the simple past and the simple future, the remaining tenses they all follow the same, more or less the same pattern. The questions are made similar way in every tense. Negative questions, affirmative questions, the negative statements, they are all made in the similar fashion. What we need to be careful is in each tense, there will be some changes. For example, in the simple present, we saw about the third person singulars taking that S. And then when we make negative or questions, you use that S with does. That is in the simple present. In the simple past, that did, everything becomes did. After did, remember to use only the V1 form, right? So that is the only thing that you need to remember here. Well, friends, that's all for today. And in the next class, we will learn when and why we should use simple past tense. It's important to know that as well, because we need to use this simple past tense in some areas, in some places, in some situations. What are those situations where we use simple past? We will learn in the next video. Until then, if you liked this one, if you found it helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to English and Beyond. And don't forget to tap the bell icon so that you will not miss our next English lesson. Until we meet again in the next video, keep watching, keep learning, keep practicing, and keep growing with English and Beyond. Thanks for watching. Take care.